Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And we just spent the last 2 nights here at Vdara in Las Vegas. And we're gonna let you know why this is probably the best long stay property you can find.
Even short stay. Let's go.
Alright, so like I said, we just stayed here at Vdara. We actually checked in, it was a 4-night stay through a MGM comp offer from gambling, and we picked this background for a reason.
Yeah.
There's a microwave.
And a full fridge.
And a full-size fridge. And a washer and dryer. And a side...
Dishwasher, I think.
Wait.
Dishwasher and a stovetop.
And a dishwasher and a stovetop.
Yeah.
We didn't use all the things, but we did use the fridge and the microwave.
Yep.
You can actually get utensils and set up if you want to. You could probably cook in here.
I even noticed...
There's a full-size dining table too.
Yeah, and there's even wine glasses and a wine or a corkscrew. And it's on top of it.
Yes. So that's what we're talking about. As a long stay, this is actually a great property. For us, it was great as a short stay too, because we did end up getting a complimentary upgrade because of our gold status with MGM. We were booked in the parlor suite and we were moved into the Vdara suite. Vdara is an all-suite property. Some are definitely larger and better than others.
Yeah, the thing I like about this one is there's 2 water closets, toilet rooms, whatever you call it, but there's one in the main bathroom and then there's a separate one right off the entrance, which is super cool.
The bathroom also had a very nice soaking tub. The shower was good. There's 2 sinks, everything you could need in bathrooms. The living room area is very nice. It's got 2 chairs and a couch. It's got a good sized TV. Bedroom has large closet space.
A lot of closet space.
Yes, and very beautiful windows. We were on the 20th floor, so we had a good view.
Yeah, good view. I also like here with the suites is the amazing amount of plugins. You know, in some general rooms you end up with like 3 to 5 plugins. No, there's a plugin in every single room, if not more than one. So trying to find an outlet was not difficult. They also had 2 bedside tables with drawers in both of them, so plenty of room for your stuff and to charge.
And the key to that is we were actually just at Circa, which is one of the newest properties, and there's only 1 bedside table, which that was the only one that had the outlet too. So there you go. This was built way before, but it has all the amenities. I do believe that this building was built with the idea of being a long-term stay or like apartments, and so that's probably why they have all the amenities.
I also noticed that they have a tablet, so same, I believe you can
like Aria.
Speak to it to ask it to help you.
I don't know if that's true.
I haven't tried it, but
all right.
I'm guessing that's what it's for.
If you have, please leave a comment down below and let us know what you did with your tablet.
So overall, let's just say we really liked the Vdara room.
Yes. Casino floor is going to be a really easy one. There is no casino here.
No casino here.
Yeah, this, and it kind of shows that it was built not with the casino resort peace of mind, because there's a lot of amenities that you do end up going to in other locations. Vdara is a huge intersection right now of 3 of the best properties in all of Las Vegas. You have a walkway that goes from Bellagio to Vdara, Cosmo, and then there's a outdoor walk to Aria. So you have prime location to all 3 of those casinos and resorts. If you want to go to any of the restaurants or bars, you have those abilities.
And the nice part about that is they've just updated that walkway from Bellagio and Cosmopolitan. It's all inside, it's beautiful, and it's just a nice fast track to both of them. We had dinner over at Bellagio a couple of nights, and it just made it for an easy transition to get over there.
Right, and to get to the strip from here, you can actually now use the Cosmo hallway and go straight through on the 2nd floor, go down, or just go straight across.
Yeah.
As far as dining goes, very easy as well. There's a Starbucks, there's a marketplace, and there is a vice versa, which we did not partake in. We might end up having some drinks there afterwards because we have a late flight. So when we come back and pick up our luggage, and I'll throw in scenes right now if I do that.
There's also, we found out today, a little juice bar up near the fitness center.
The marketplace it's nice. It's got all your things that you need. One of the really interesting things I saw in there was they even had like microwave meals, which just goes to show. I mean, this really is more for people that aren't necessarily looking to always go to the restaurants and stuff. I wasn't gonna buy it, and of course right now they don't have prices on these things, so
It's definitely got to be that surge pricing.
Yeah, good luck with that. But the coffees were good.
The coffees were really good.
We actually went with our coffees at the marketplace rather than at Starbucks. It's similar. I think the prices are probably a little bit better though. And the coffee area does have some nice pastries you can grab. I would assume that they're from the Aria patisserie. If you're enjoying this video and you want to see more Las Vegas hotel reviews and restaurant reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have over 150 restaurant reviews in Las Vegas alone, and well over 10 hotel reviews in Las Vegas as well. As far as the pool goes, right now we are here in December. The pool is closed. It is drained. I'm going to put it over the top right now. We actually have a pool view.
We had a pool view.
Of an empty pool. But a couple years ago, we actually did stay here, and we rented a cabana. I want to say it was about $400. It did not go to food and beverage, but it was worth it.
And I will also say the Vdara death ray is a real thing.
Yes.
It got so hot.
Yeah, in the afternoon, or when the sun starts hitting it on the windows, it goes straight down into the pool. You gotta stay in that pool, because otherwise you're gonna burn up.
It was warm.
But as far as the pool goes, when it's busy, I think that it's a bit small.
It is.
That was the one thing that I did notice, and I was really glad that we got a cabana, because it had a little private pool area out in front that we were able to spend more time in. Now, if every cabana was full and every person was in there, that could get to be full as well. But here in December, you do get to use the Aria pool if you would like to. We did not, because it's cold. We did make it to the gym. We did not record in there though, because it was actually pretty busy. It's not the smallest gym we've seen, but it did have a decent amount of equipment, and I think it was like 3 bikes, 3 ellipticals, 6 treadmills, 2 stair steppers, weights that go up to 50-pound dumbbells, kettlebells.
Yeah, it was a reasonably sized room.
Things were spread out quite a bit.
Yeah, especially what I was expecting for Vdara.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be like a real small, intimate one. It wasn't. Actually, I think it was bigger than Circus.
Yeah. And it was on the same floor as the spa.
They do offer spa services daily. I even noticed that they have an option for a personal trainer. And as I mentioned earlier, a juice bar. All I saw was like canned juices and protein shakes, but at least it's available there for you as well.
I think they had apples too.
Oh.
As far as nightlife goes, like we said, vice versa is the bar that is out front. It has some patio seating as well as indoor seating. That is about the nightlife of it. The good thing is, if you're going for a little bit more of a relaxing trip, you don't want to have constant riffraff going around, the club seekers, the drunk bar people. You didn't have that going on. And it's not loud. It's never loud. All right, say it now.
Overall vibe? Gosh, this place smells so good. You can smell it just this minute you walk through the doors. Yes. I love the smell of Vdara.
It's peaceful, it's relaxing. A lot of people that we saw kind of look business-like.
They did.
And so maybe they were here for an extended period of time for a conference or whatnot.
Yeah.
Maybe they're even doing work while here. The Wi-Fi is pretty good. No shows are available.
Yeah. Again, this is simply a place to stay.
Yes.
There is a couple options for food and beverages.
With great access to the key properties around you.
That's true, where all your shows, nightlife, and casino will be. As we mentioned, one of the biggest perks to Vdara is its location. And I will say, now that they have built that walkway to Cosmopolitan and revamped that one to Bellagio, you don't even have to go outside. I mean, you should to get some fresh air, but you don't even have to go outside. It was really, really convenient for that. I was shocked because I don't recall how inconvenient it felt earlier at our previous stay, but it really was convenient. So I think they've upped that convenience vibe to get you to the Cosmopolitan and Bellagio staying here at Vdara.
And if you had ever walked from Vdara to Cosmo before, where you walked outside, it stunk.
I was like, was that the poop hallway?
I think some people actually call it like Long John Silver's. It was stinky.
So bad.
Yeah, I don't know what was going on there, but right now it's much cleaner, easier. If you are looking for a place to pick up waters, drinks, whatever, your CVS, Walgreens, ABC stores, you have to go a little bit further.
Sure.
You're gonna go either down to the Strip, go over to, I think it's Walgreens by Park MGM or CVS. ABC store is across the street from there. Otherwise, you're going up to the one between Paris and Borscht.
Oh, yeah.
I think if there's something closer, please let me know. But it's not the most convenient for that stuff. But if you're here for a long time, you might want to just take a car somewhere. Okay. Overall, I would say I really enjoyed Vdara. I would stay here again. I hope we do stay here again.
I was going to say the same thing. If you can't get it from our vibe, hopefully you understand we really did enjoy this property. And if given the opportunity, we would definitely come back.
Yes. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter. All our links are down below.
See ya.